So guys, how was your trip?
Nice. I enjoyed like anything. It was life-changing experience for me. The ride was so good.
It was a life-changing experience. I'd say I'd never gone for a proper bike trip with all the gears and going off road and stuff like that. So I enjoyed it, and I think I'll become an addict now.
I would say fantastic trip because of fantastic crew.
It was definitely challenging terrain, but it was easy thanks to DreamRiders squad, the very well equipped team, and thankful for that. That's really awesome.
This crew made food themselves, served everyone breakfast and dinner.
Something that I didn't expect. So yeah, it's good.
This crew was unique.
Yeah, absolutely great. Everything planned to a team.
It was very great actually.
This is a team and a company with integrity.
And hotels were, you can say, awesome for this region.
Thanks to DreamRiders.
Thank you, DreamRiders.
Most of all, thanks to DreamRiders.